Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, Bob Iacchino. NEO update, just to show you what I had done here, I moved it back to our other point because I didn't want to confuse people. We had the 77.13, I actually shifted it over to this point when it broke those lows that held back into the rotation zone, which gave us a really nice cluster of 75 lining up here. We did go through that. Now I'm looking for 67.30 or 65 to 67 as the next lows. Rotation zone clearly still against us on NEO. Nothing else to do but sit on our hands. And we're actually nearing the lows back on February 6th. So I would not be surprised to see that tested by any means. So wouldn't rush in to do anything. Been saying this on a lot of the videos today. Just be very patient with this sell-off. And again, this didn't even get to 8 pushing the price. It paused and then it broke down. NEO acting very, very weak. Nothing to do but just be patient on any rally. Let's go back to that 4 hour. On any rally, let's see. Key price is about 79.50, and then we could watch for about 83.50 on a little stronger rally. But that's about it. No reversal patterns, no divergences, nothing to do. Hope you have been raising your stops and not rushing in to buy anything. Or at least if you did rush in and buy something, take your stop and let this go lower. Checking in on NEM's XEM. Now it's selling pressure coming in there. We had this blow off top, pulling away from the rotation zone, big spike up, and then collapsing down through it. So at least for the time being, this moves over. We had the cluster here from this retracement from the lows to the most recent spike high, and a bigger retracement, and the 21 all coming in at this 0.41 to 0.42 level. Was not able to hold it. Right now, watching to see if it'll test the 39.50 area. But that's about it. Next major level down, we're watching for 38.79, which is a 62.5% retracement. If it closes below there, then watch it to return to this congestion. We'd be watching for about 0.3541. On any rally, major overhead resistance now coming in at 0.4409. So everybody who went in the vertical, that's why, yeah, we even went through our targets, but at least we raising the stops or taking partial profits, especially when it pulls away like this, and then you get a big outside reversal bar. By the way, an outside reversal bar is when this bar has a higher high and a lower low than previous, and this was a nice big green bar, so that's a major topping pattern. Just keep that in mind. On the daily chart, let me zoom in so you can see with that big topping pattern, spiking even above the 50-day and then just collapsing back down. Support now on the daily is coming in at about this 0.3879, which we talked about on the 4 hour. That's also where the 8 is, and if that doesn't hold, then those other levels I talked about are key. But this looks like, at least for the time being, the short-term top is in on NEM's XEM, and to wait for a pullback. And let's see if we can find after the cryptos start like consolidating a bit, if we get any bottoming patterns. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.